Keep on doing what you do, doing what you do. Just keep on doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do, what you do, doing what you do.
Hi guys, Jan's Crazy Life. So I have a project share. So if you guys didn't watch my Friday Night Live last week, we did these Boo mummy cards, which were super cute and super creative. Those are on the live for last Friday. I will have it linked. I also made some tags, and it says the other ones. I made some other ones, but you'll see that in the video, but I put them, done things with them. But this one says, trick or treat, smell my feet, here's a treat for you to eat. And on the back, it's holding a piece of candy, and it's a tag. So cute. And then we did one word with Dana the other day on Tina's live, and her word was balloon. And so what I did was I made these decorative envelopes, and you can still write the person's name or address on it and put yours on the back, but it is this heart balloon, so it's a bunch of tiny little hearts, and it says be happy, and I just wrote out be happy with like the string. And then on this one is a bigger envelope, and it says hello. Oh, I'm upside down, guys, sorry. Okay, be happy. And then this one says hello. And then there is this one, and this one says, you can see the pencil, but it says, oh, happy day. And that is really cute. So that's a cute project share. If you guys want to know how to do any of these, I know this is on the Friday, but I can kind of show y'all. Just let me know in the comments below. But I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Subscribe if you haven't already, because the best is yet to come. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.